David Chun, and today my informative speech will be on the importance of being a terminal operator, which connects to my major, which is international business. And I want to tell you guys why terminal operators are crucial towards the port industry. Without terminal operators, there would be challenges in coordinating events, maintaining safety standards, and optimizing terminal performances. So first, I want to give you guys a little background information as to why I chose this specific job. My dad started his career at the Port of Long Beach in 1996 as the assistant civil engineer, and soon enough he worked his way up as the director of engineering design. And there's a bridge that at the Port of Long Beach that is newly built, and him and his teammates designed that building or that bridge and built it. So I want to be able to manage the cargo handling, such as incoming shipments, organizing storage areas, and for the equipment, ensuring availability. Proper functions of this equipment is crucial for smooth cargo handling processes. And for the berth planning, these coordinates vessels' arrivals and departures to optimize terminal efficiency and minimize downtime. I will be going over the importance of just supply chain system and the terminal operator's job. So starting off with the supply chain system, Amazon is a really good example. So Amazon, they get their products from manufacturing companies and someone has to produce them. And so once they are produced, they transport these products down to the market, and then the market receives them and then sells it. So we get the product all over the world, from China with clothes, utensils or cups, and Japan with cars and electronics, such as like the PS4. And this whole process is importing, and importing is when we transport goods to the US. So once it gets here, it comes in a big container, and then we move these containers from the berth, which is this huge ship that holds all the containers full of our goods, and they park the big berth onto the wharf, which is a structure on the shore where the ship docks to load and unload these goods. And once they are parked and unloaded, the cranes pick them up, which is now usually automatic because technology, and they pick them up and move them onto like their parking positions, and from there the forklifts will come pick up these containers and transport them onto a truck or a train. And then these trucker trains will then move it to the warehouses and then like deliver them to like stores such as Target or Walmart. Us customers then go buy it, and this whole process is the supply chain system. As I mentioned earlier, about the cargo handling, the equipment, and berth planning, this is what the terminal operator's job is. So the terminal operator's job is to ensure the availability and proper functioning of this equipment is crucial for a smooth cargo handling process. And if this doesn't work out smoothly, we wouldn't get our items in time. So when we order from Amazon and they have a due date that we have to get our goods from, if something's wrong, then the terminal operator's job is to make sure everything runs smoothly, so we end up getting our goods at the same time we order them. And coordinating the loading and unloading of cargo onto and from vessels and trucks. They also coordinate vessel arrivals and departures to optimize terminal efficiency and minimize downtime, as I mentioned earlier. And for the safety aspects, they implement safety training so that no one gets hurt. So for example, the forklifters, when they carry these big container ships, we want to make sure that none of them get injured because they could fall and they can seriously get hurt. So they conduct regular inspections on the equipment and the people that are working there so that no one gets hurt. They are responsible for handling vessels that come in from all over the world, help maintain manpower, and get the operation done efficiently while focusing on safety, which is the number one priority here. And in conclusion, the importance of being a terminal operator is very important to the port ecosystems. They play a vital role in managing day-to-day operations of terminals, efficient cargo handling, maintaining safety and security standards, and providing quality service to customers.